Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to use walking directions in Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, put your destination. For example, I will choose the airport. And after that, click on directions. And after that, on directions, as you will see, there is multiple options. There is directions by car, direction by motorcycle, direction by public transportation, if they are available. And the next one is directions like walking directions. So as you can see, it gives me like walking directions. So this place is away from me 6.1 kilometers and I need 1 hour and a half to arrive there. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.